What's up guys, there have been lots of leaks and rumors about the next Galaxy Note series. We know the new phones are coming out soon, but now we have confirmation on the launch date. Yeah guys, finally, the rumors were true. Today, Samsung officially confirmed the Galaxy Note 10 is launching August 7th by posting a teaser video and sending invitations to the next Unpacked event. The launch event takes place at 4 p.m. EST in the Barclays Center in the New York City. The company doesn't explicitly say what it's going to announce at this event but has shared a video which includes an S Pen and a single camera which clearly indicates that the Galaxy Note 10 will be the star of the show. The camera in the clip is also likely a hint at the Galaxy Note 10 featuring a single punch hole camera on the Galaxy Note 10, which according to previous leaks will be placed in the center of the screen. And yeah guys, no doubt this could be one of the biggest Galaxy Note introductions yet. There are supposedly up to 4 devices launching at Unpacked 2019. The rumored devices include the regular Galaxy Note 10, a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and 5G models of both. We have already seen pictures of the alleged Galaxy Note 10 Plus model, which have previously rumored to be called the Galaxy Note 10 Pro. We have also seen 3D CAD renders of the regular model. The regular Note 10 is rumored to launch with a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a single punch hole centered at the top. It is rumored to have a triple rear camera setup with a triple aperture system on the main lens. It is also supposed to have no headphone jack, 25-watt fast charging, and no micro SD slot. The Note 10 Plus is rumored to launch with a huge 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display, a single centered hole punch, the same triple lens camera setup as the regular model but with an added time of flight sensor, no headphone jack, and a micro SD slot. We are excited to see what Samsung has for us this year. Whatever goodies Samsung has to show on the Galaxy Note 10 will be a nice indicator about what to expect for the Galaxy S11 series. With the launch just over a month away, you can expect to hear a lot more about the Galaxy Note 10 series in the coming days. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.